In this section of tutorials, we'll be going over the steps to configure and register your Synology QuickConnect address, and also a DDNS address to allow connecting to your Synology NAS away from home easier. We'll cover this process using DSM versions 4.3, 5.2 and 6.1. For those of you who are unaware, the QuickConnect service allows you to connect directly to your Synology NAS without having to configure any port forwarding rules on your router. This allows easy access but may suffer from slower connection speeds. The DDNS service, on the other hand, gives your Synology NAS its own web address to use to connect to, but would require some port forwarding rules to be configured. This tends to scare a lot of people, but port forwarding is something that anyone can learn to do. I'll be going over port forwarding on a Synology router in another tutorial. For more information on how to perform port forwarding, we'll provide a link in the description below that explains this further, as well as a list of guides available online for different makes and models of routers, so you can find your own one. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. As always, we'll keep these sections updated for future versions of DSM if anything does change in the approach. On the next video, we'll be covering how to register a Synology account and an overview of the account page.